This is how you can tell if your phone is hacked or if someone is listening to your calls or whatever is going on, trying to steal your information, whatever. You dial star pound 62 pound call. All of this should say disabled. All of this should say disabled. If anything say activated, that means that somebody probably hacked you. So this is how you do it. You go back. You dial pound 002 pound call. It's going to say all calls. I disabled it. Can't nobody hear nothing I got going on or hacking anything. Listening to my phone calls or messages. This how you check it.